This is a review of the Honda EU2200i 2200 watt portable inverter generator. Typically we'll use this at the campsite. We always bring it with us. I can always hook all of my appliances, my small appliances to it. I can do the fryer, the Ninja. I can also even use the flat fryer, so I can make several different things outside, and that way I don't have to get hot in the camper. It operates smoothly. It's easy enough for me to start, so I can use it on my own. It's also very small and portable, so it can be used at different locations, and none of my camping partners ever complain about the noise. As you can see, it runs very quiet. We'll get about 8 to 10 hours of run time, of course, depending on the load. Also, it does have an economy switch, so if you want to save fuel, you can use that. And also a low oil safety shutoff, so it prevents you from damaging the equipment if you're not paying attention to the oil levels. I hope you enjoyed this review.